A suspected hit-and-run driver who claimed she had COVID-19 is accused of purposefully coughing in a Metro officer's face.
So we go to Josh at the WKRN.com alert desk. What do you got?
Yeah, that woman's charged with assault on an officer. A warrant does state she was arrested after a hit-and-run crash that happened yesterday morning on I-24 over at Fessler's Lane. While at the hospital for a blood draw because police thought she was drunk, they say she told an officer that she did have COVID-19 and so did her grandmother, and that she wanted to give the virus to the officer so that her loved one would die as a result. That woman is then accused of taking down her mask and coughing right in the officer's face. Now, it's not clear if she did actually have COVID-19, but obviously she was tested. Once we get that information, we will pass it along. Now, again, that woman has been arrested. 8 charges that include assault on an officer, vandalism, and resisting arrest. We'll post all this information here shortly on our website. Head over to WKRN.com for the latest breaking news.